right into our next presentation from Nurit. Hello, welcome back.
Hi, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, yeah.
It's
Great to
great
be
to have
here.
you back. I think we've now covered some of the customer experience components specific to channel and conversation. Now I think it's time to talk about customer experience from
Yeah,
personalization, engagement, conversion rate standpoint. I think we're to square everything away.
yeah,
So
on the
with that
website
said, if you want
itself.
to share your screen, I
I
will.
will.
I'll put it up here and let you take it away. We'll also swap out
And
our
share
banner so that you are
screen
correct
and
over here.
share screen, and I'm sharing, right?
Yep, looks good.
Cool.
Perfect. Everything's good. I'll let you take it away from here.
Okay, perfect. So thank you so much, Derek. And I'm so happy to be here and excited. And hopefully you're getting a lot of ideas and go-to actions on how to do better with your store towards Black Friday, but also in general. I think that we covered a lot of interesting topics, not just for Black Friday, but in holding a store and making it profitable for you. So we'll discuss a little bit about how to make more out of your store, how to gain more revenue based on automation, personalization, and the overall user experience of the website. So speaking even in 2021, still desktop converts better than mobile. Almost all of the shoppers choose to leave or abandon cart in some point of the purchase process. It used to be 3 out of 4, but now it's closer to 4 out of 4. And why is that? First and foremost, your desktop version of the website is amazing. You can see all the products and all the variety over there. You can see how much effort you had on your branding, on the coloring, on choosing, on the microcopy, choosing the right theme, choosing everything to be in the right place. But when we're talking about the mobile phone, it's usually kind of a thinner version of this great experience, and that's why it doesn't convert as much. The second is the first impression counts. If I have patience to wait while a website on desktop uploads slowly, in mobile, I just don't have that, and I don't have any patience, and I don't want to be stuck, even not for 3 seconds, even not for 2 seconds. I want it to be responsive and be fast. And the third, just like my previous host explained, customers are on the driving seat. Customer experience is very important. Customer service is crucial, and also everything that you do have to serve the customer because they're in the driving seat. They are the ones who are making the decision whether to buy from your store or not, and that's why they're the contingency plan of your business. They need to shop. So going a little bit into desktop versus mobile shopping, or desktop versus mobile, let's be honest, we don't have any more attention span because we are seeing so many data units per day. It could be videos, it could be posts, it could be ads, it could be anything around us. So we don't have any attention span. And also our users, they have about 3 seconds of attention, and to gain their attention and to understand what you're offering in a 6.1-inch screen size. It doesn't work as much. You can't show a variety. You have to have a killer image. You have to understand the user's path to purchase in your website, the funnel that it goes through, how the decision-making process works, and it has to be accustomed to the mobile phone. Social media also created a different reality for us as merchants and for us as users. We are using our phone so much, and we are spending most of our time on social media because, let's face it, it's fun. I spend too many hours over there a day because I gain information where my friends are. It's much more intuitive for me. It's on my cell phone, which is kind of like, it's everywhere I go, it goes with me. I remember to take it more than I remember to take my house keys. And that's why it got us used to mobile, and it got us used to a certain experience or kind of experience or user experience. The third is the discovery. Let's say that on desktop, if you have hundreds of products, I can scroll down and see more products, and it will pop up and it would look great. On mobile, the screen size is much smaller. I can't see as many products, and I have to scroll down and constantly loading more products. It's not fun. The engagement and online, basically, we're always on our cell phone. If I need to go to desktop, I have to go and open it. So I already have an intent when I'm opening a desktop to shop. And on mobile, it just on the way, it's on the go. So I have to create an engagement over there also on the mobile to gain an intent for them in order to shop. So I'm sorry for the noise. About the personalization aspect and what makes shoppers to increase the conversion rate. Well, engagement is a crucial effect on that. Let's take a moment here and imagine. Remember the times that you used to go to a mall and let's say a makeup, I don't know why I thought about it. I went into a makeup store and wanted to buy a blush. And that's great. And then a salesperson come and said, oh, Nirit, you bought this blush in a pink color, which match your skin tone. But what about a brush for this blush? What about a matching eyeshadow? What about a lipstick that will go well with that? Well, yes, that's amazing. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to buy it. I bought it and I will buy it again because it matches exactly to my needs. The salesperson, so who am I as a person, as a shopper, know what I want and created for me a nice value offer with personalized products for me, for my needs. So the chances that I will go back again to this store when I'm running out of blush or when I want makeup or something else, then it goes high. So it's also retention over there. Very important for the retention. So in the brick and mortar experience, it's very easy to explain, but how do you do it also on your mobile version and how do you increase it? Well, the only solution for that is use personalization algorithm on your website, which means that me and Derek don't need to see the same products on the website because we are not the same people and we are not the same users and we are definitely not the same shoppers, okay? So it's very important that you have a personalization aspect on your product, on your website in order to present relevant products for relevant users in the end. Another important aspect of the mobile commerce is that it's not just nice like before to be a mobile first, it's a must. Okay, if you're not a mobile first, if your uploading time is very long or too long, and I'm talking only about seconds, okay, you have to upload in milliseconds, then basically your Google ranking will go down. And if your Google ranking go down, then you won't be searchable. And that's a blow for a store to have. So no, you have to know exactly how optimized your pages are for mobile. You have to consider the details on the product page, of course, the page speed and the apps that you're using on your store in order to make it as optimized as possible. Of course, check your hosting plans, make sure that everything is suitable for the Black Friday and all the traffic that is gonna come on us. On the mobile, like I said, we don't have intent. We are exploring, we are on the go. So if a shopper creates some kind of intention in one of the products, stay longer on this page, or adding it to the cart, you have a potential connection over there. Make use out of it. If you stay longer staying over 10 seconds on the product page, have a pop-up come up and say you can get a 10% discount if you're buying it. Okay, so you need to leverage this data in order to promote personalized offers on the mobile phone. Just make the intent be better. And the last part is the big data. When you're on your mobile phone, users in the tech companies knows about you more than wherever you might be. Your operating system says a lot about you. Your geolocation says about you, and also other actions that you do. And those tech companies can follow or not follow, but it means that we as merchants can know our audience a little bit better when they're using their mobile phones. Another important aspect for you as merchants, and since social media came to our life, is the FOMO. The FOMO, the fear of missing out. Social media has created a reality of us where we as users are expecting to see continued innovation. Always get the newest content that we haven't seen before. Always see that the store uploaded new products. Okay, so it's always gonna be innovative, always see new content. And even if you haven't uploaded any new products, they expect to see some kind of a change in the website. They want to see a change in your website towards Black Friday. Okay, so you have to be connected with the audience, know what they're expecting, and also to stay up to date with their desires. You have to understand that it comes from a psychological need. They need these changes, and you as a merchant need to provide it for them, a safer ground for them, something that they know and love, and experience that they expect to in order to meet their demands. It also can help you to push them further down the purchase path or the funnel, because if you see that they are gonna drop or not, give them the timer, give them a time-limited offer, give them something that will create them to fear of missing out. This one bought it. This other, there are only 4 left in stock. Okay, so it's kind of a nice tactic. You have to think whether or not it matches to your brand. But in the end, it's something that can really push down certain audiences. And of course, whatever that you do, make sure that you're using not scraping, but API-based data, because I think you all know, and I certainly know, that as a customer, if I'm going from an ad, let's say, to your website, and the link is broken or the product is out of stock, it's not fun. And if it's not fun, then I probably won't go back and probably won't shop from your store. So make sure that you're using reliable data and you only show what's on stock, and you know that the links are working properly. Another aspect that social media has created in our life is the story format, a full screen vertical experience. The idea is basically allowing us to act faster, to discover much more content, much more products, and much more experiences in the social media. But now we can also do it outside of social. I'll explain how you can do it later. It's all on the vertical format. That's exactly how I'm holding my cell phone, and probably how you're holding your cell phone. It can display branded content. I can go through stories on Instagram, and I know who the under which account they are, because I know the brand and I know the look and feel. So it's also kind of a tool that creates you a loyalty of users, and they know you and they want you and expect to get this content from you. It also allows us to have seamless navigation within Instagram, but it can also work on your website in exactly the same way, and also provide us very insightful data. And how many people use the stories, how many people held the story, how many people swiped up and wanted to shop this story. So Black Friday mania is coming, and everyone is doing a sale, and you need to stand out. You must stand out. So you have to prepare your social media and make it fun and engaging, and be, of course, by your brand. You have to make sure, like we discussed in the previous panel, that the logistics side, everything is ready, that you have inventory, and that you can assume the delivery times. You have to be a mobile first, because most of your traffic will come from mobile. And on Black Friday, Cyber Monday times, the traffic goes up by ×2 or ×3 even, if not even more. The customer service has to be a killer customer service, very fast, 24/7, on the go. Like I said before, use automation. And of course, you have to deliver. And I'm not just talking about deliver the goods, but if your brand delivers and promise cruelty-free products, sustainability-free, the best products in a certain field, make it the best product in the certain field. Okay? Make sure your audience and your customers are enjoying the product, and they will come again. So a little bit about Polaris and how can we help you with crushing the Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So in Polaris, we're converting shoppers into buyers on autopilot. And how do we do it? We are using real-time personalization and visualization based on the user's engagement, all done 100% automatically. So you don't have to do nothing from your side. Okay, what we've done actually is leverage the benefits of social media, the personalization, the engagement, and the story format, but embedded in your own website, created from your own product listing, not using what you're doing on Instagram, but completely using your own catalog. Okay, our automatic algorithm knows how to choose the right image from your product listing and transform it into a vertical story format on your own website. All delivered in a real-time personalization as an experience. Of course, everything with simple integration and implementation, and also provides you a smart data analysis on your customers. What are they looking for? Which stories are the best? Which stories converted the most? And what products are most interested? And of course, everything is completely branded by your book. So you can take your cell phone out. I know I know they're right next to you, so you can just scan right now instead of me going and displaying and sharing my screen and getting mess over there. Just scan the QR code and you can see both of our solution in Modern and Chic, a direct-to-consumer brand from the States. I love their product, and they do deliver good products, and they do deliver on time. So we have a discovery solution that is kind of an Instagram look and feel that you can see on your right or on your left. I don't know how the screen size goes. and the screen goes. The division into categories is based on your collection and can be based on vendors and whatever that API that you will provide for us or that we take from Shopify, and automatic division into those categories. And once you click on a bubble, then a full screen experience open, and you can see the product in a story format. We know how to make from each image a story, a vertical format. We have an algorithm that knows how to do it. And we also develop a personalized recommendation engine. That means that on your product pages, you can have you might also like or others also bought in order to promote and uplift in the average order value and get people to buy more. And how do we do it? The stories that are displayed are personalized for each and every end user and are also keeps on updating, which means that me as a user won't see the same product twice. So my product discovery goes up, and I'm always into this continued innovation like I've spoken before. So eventually I shop more and I stay more and I enjoy your website longer and probably go back again to shop just because the experience was engaging. You, of course, will get access into our dashboard where you can manually edit all the stories, add stickers, add GIFs, and whatever that you want to do and see the overall performance. And we also integrate with the Google Analytics or Shopify Analytics so you can see the results in real time. You can see the ROI really, really easy. Having said that, we are serving over 60 clients worldwide, focusing on visually appealing verticals, fashion, accessorized, jewelry, skincare, beauty, everything that is visually appealing, we are the right answer for. We are creating a killer user interface. Users enjoy it. They used to it from social media, so we don't need to educate them on how to use it. And when they are doing so, they are staying longer on the website, seeing much more products, so the bounce rate drops significantly. So it's also helping your Google ranking, which is important. They are seeing much more products and they are staying longer on the website, eventually shopping more. So you will see an increase in the conversion rate. You will see also an increase in the average order value because they are seeing more products that are similar to what they were looking for. And then the chance that they will buy something just goes up. And of course, you will see an uplift in the mobile revenues because people will buy more from you. So to summarize everything, I know I was talking like super fast and I apologize for that, but that's how I intend to be. If I have to give you a take-home values or 3 things that you need to be focused on. So first, the conversion-focused digital strategy. In the end of the day, you can have a beautiful website and you can have beautiful products, but if your link doesn't work, or if your uploading time is not good, and if you're not having a clear CTA, call to action buttons on your pages, then people won't convert, they won't shop. And if they won't shop, then you won't get any revenues. And if you don't get any revenues, so your business might not stick. So conversion-focused digital strategy, okay? Try to make that the main effort, and then everything else will be kind of a decoration and needed, but be focused on the conversion. And the second is that you have to have real-time personalization on your website because we are not the same people. And we expect, just like on social media, to get different content and to see different products because we have different interests, because we need this innovation, continued innovation. We need to see and we need to be inspired by other products. And of course, you have to have a user experience that is completely mobile first because, again, your audience will be there. So if 80% of your audience come from mobile, but they convert better on desktop, just think about the amount of money that you're just leaving on the floor, okay? You need to have them shop on your mobile and have intent to shop on your mobile. So e-commerce tech has been amazing with us, and we want to offer you e-commerce community special offer just for you. Of course, a 1-month free trial so you can enjoy the benefits of Polaris and the UI and explore and play with our dashboard. We are offering you a 40% off discount. Like I said, at least 40% discount on Black Friday. And of course, you will have a personal customer success manager that will help you from the settings into the work around the solution. The idea is that once you do the setup, the system works completely automatically. So you don't have to do nothing from your end, which is, I think, a great advantage, being a merchant and understanding how hard it is to be in control on all aspects of the website. And of course, you can also have a practical guide that we've created for Black Friday Mania with much more practical guidelines and how-tos and what-to-dos. And I'm suggesting that you will start to do it today. You can, if you have your mobile phone still with you, you can take them out and you can scan and see also Skin Worldwide, the nice loungewear from Canada. And No, I really love this brand. It's a kids clothing brand from New York. And of course, Modern and Chic that you've seen before if you haven't scanned it. We're an app on Shopify. You can see us over there. You can add the coupon code. You can connect us and we'll give you the code and discuss all things Polaris with you. Feel free to approach us. We are on social media, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. You can connect us under content@polaris.com. Reach out for us on our personal profile. My name is Nirit. My email is nirit@polaris.com. And that was Polaris. I was talking quite fast.
Oh, come on. I've seen people talk faster. I'm in Silicon Valley, people like talk really, really fast. So this is very.
How do I stop the share screen? Okay,
yeah, I've got it here.
Okay, you got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm always speaking fast, but do understand that Black Friday is coming and you have to act fast. So I'm for you over there.
Yeah, I love that you're drinking your own Kool-Aid and have given a 40% off offer as you recommended everyone else do. That seems very fitting. I of course love the tool and think that there's not especially for visually appealing brands, cool fashion brands, beauty and like home decor and anything that's eye catching can really. I think you could even do this with like smoothies and like other kind of like fitness brands and stuff too. I think there's a really big opportunity to add visual storytelling components and convert people with more engagement on site. And so I love this tool. I love that, as you said, you kind of set it and forget it, and it's just there creating increase in conversion value.
Being honest, when we started with the tool, we just went and we were merchants ourselves, and then we started and interviewed other merchants and asked them about engagement tools, and they said that if it's not automatic, it just won't stick. So we understood that we have something to do or develop a software that would actually work for the merchants because they're working so hard. So instead of them working for us, the software will work for them, and it's a easy go. It's still free.
I absolutely love that. Yeah, and I love. I need to do like a standalone blog post on this. Tools that are like instant install makes me money. And they're because I think that. That is rare. I want to be very clear to merchants that not many tools are instant install makes me money. A lot of merchants think that they are. Just as an example, Recart earlier, lots of setup time. You have to go in and manage flows and sequences. You have to be a smart marketer. You want somebody strong at the helm going in there regularly. So you have this ongoing maintenance cost, this cost of the human resource that needs to manage the tool. But when you find quick wins like this, you want to enact them as fast as you can. You want to see the lift yourself so you can believe in the change in revenue. You can't just be told that it's going to work. You have to see it. And then you just keep layering those things on top of each other, and you find a whole bunch of wins, and then all of a sudden revenue becomes an easier game.
Yep,
and the Facebook ads are returning better. Yeah, everything. Sorry. Yeah.
That's exactly it. But what we're saying is, if the funnel used to be social media, go to the website and then go back to social media because it's not that interesting like social media. With us, they're like, oh, wait, I'm going to check this out. And once they're doing that, they're engaged. And once they're engaged, they will most likely or more likely to shop. And we see it in the numbers, and you can see it quite fast in the Google Analytics. And that's it.
I love it. Awesome. Cool. Thank you so much. We've got the link in chat. We've got the link in the show notes as well. And we will be sure I'm sure we're going to see more from Polaris in the future.
Perfect. Derek, thank you so much. It's been a very insightful event. I'm going to stay backstage and listen.
Awesome. All right.
Bye-bye.